Variation of the jarhead specimen. Hey? There's another one. This one's dead in the tunnel. Emma's got a big stick. Here, you can harpoon that for breakfast.
Go after live ones.
Dead already. I'll hunt you next.
You're dead, I'm going.
Yeah, go down there and flush them out. You got to be a tunnel hunter.
Aha! I think they're all in here.
No.
Ask them. Come under. She's a cheater.
No, we hunted her down and she's on our team. She's flushing you out. Get out. Come and face your doom.
Not too much about it, buddy. Oh, you mean she's hunting inside?
I was going hunting inside the tunnel.
Because she's flushing you out.
She's a hungry hunter. Good way to kill him. Go right in there. That one makes noise.
Yo, buddy, yo.
Hello. Who knows? I'm gonna be there.